Hey, here's what I do for entertainment these days. I get my walking exercise sometimes. This is the Ortona Lock and Dam and Campground. That's a fishing pier, and you can see that would be a great big Carver aft cabin is my best guess from here. It's about a 40-footer heading into lock through. Anyhow, let's take a little hike here. I'll show you around the campground. I think there's at least 44 sites here. There's a martin house. Usually a couple birds here. There's one of the white birds. You can see the boat going in. I'm actually gonna walk across the lock, but I know the lockmaster has control of the gates, so we'll see how that works out for us. You can reserve this pavilion for the same price as the campsite. I think you're limited to 20 people, maybe 30, but they have water and electric, nice grill. They even got their own garbage can. The comfort station bathroom is kind of far from here. It's not terrible. Got a couple more picnic tables. Big parking area. This gets fairly busy here, believe it or not. It's a popular fishing spot. It appears you want to fish on the opposite side of the river. I know that's the Caloosahatchee River, but I seen on the map it might be called the Caloosahatchee Canal where we're at right now, but it's the same thing as the river. There's another one of them cool charging stations, solar powered. I don't know if they got Wi-Fi up here or not. No, the waterway is what they call the canal. Over here they have a little movie thing. Shows you some movies. Tell you all about everything. There's some good books in there. Canadian Bacon DVD. They even got a DVD in there. And if you want to watch a movie, Canadian Bacon is on the menu. Okay, I touched the screen. Oh, and it's going. Okay, we're not gonna watch that right now. I'm gonna go over here and either cross the lock or not. I was over here yesterday and it kind of appeared like the lockmaster kept the gate shut. We'll see what happens today. There's only one boat up here right now. Ain't every day you get to walk across the dam. I can guarantee you wouldn't want to jump in. There's something floating down here. piece of orange something or other. Down there's the fishing dock. I've been seeing him pull some nice snook out of here. I guess some famous YouTuber films down there. That's right. Right now this lock fills up. I know the water is 5 foot deep when it's empty. Right now it's empty. So it's gonna come up to that number 14 there, which is about 9 feet. I wanted to read these signs. Oh, there he's opening it up. That's how you fill it. Okay, that sign over there says LaBelle is 9 miles, W.P. Franklin is 28, Fort Myers is 41, and the Intercoastal Waterway is 61. And that is heading to the west. Howdy. There's one thing I don't agree with, having a generator on the front of your boat. Because people die every year from having generators that don't belong on your boat. It's a beautiful area. Can't go everywhere here, but there's the campground. They call that the East Loop, and the West Loop is down there. We'll get a pretty good view of this boat when he comes up the rest of the way. Takes a lot of water to fill a lock. The guy, I don't know if you can see him, the guy in a kayak over there. Yeah, this thing takes forever. 6 feet to go. Okay. We'll be back with more later.